Has great minds and hope all is well. Alright, so inside these tutorials, we are going to look at how to get Instagram followers for free. Alright, uh, not excluding the likes. So we are going to get free Instagram followers and free Instagram likes. So without much ado, let's get started. We are opening any browser. Okay, we are opening any browser, and inside the search engine we are going to type popre.com. Okay, so popre is here. Popre is here. All right, so let's tap on popre and make sure our internet connection is strong enough to take us there. All right, so my phone has been set to desktop site. That's how you are seeing my interface in this way. All right, so what we are going to do next is to head on to the followers. Here is the followers. We tap the followers right away. Okay, so after tapping on the followers, you see their prices are accumulated to the various types of followers available here. So we have the 100 followers, that's the 1.10 euros. Okay, so various prices has been added, but here 10 followers we have 0.00. That means you can buy this without paying anything. Okay, you can buy this without paying anything. So let's tap on buy. Okay, so we select the 10 and we tap on buy. Okay, so right after tapping on buy, you see you can add your account here. Okay, you can add your account here. So let me remove this account and teach you how to add your account. Okay, and teach you how to add your account. Okay, so right after getting your info like this, here you tap your account name. So the username. Okay, so mine is underscore scamper. Okay, scamper one. All right, so I have this like this. So I input the email of which I use account. Okay, so RQC, then I'm done. And I verify that I'm not a robot. Okay, I verify that I'm not a robot. So with this, the account has been created. Okay, with this, the account has been created. So it says thanks for a shot. Okay, thanks for a shot. All right. So we head back to home page. Okay, we head back to home page like this. Okay, we head back to home page. Then we go to followers again. Okay, followers. Okay, so after coming to followers again, we pick and go to buy as we did. Okay, then we choose the account. Okay, you tap on your account. Okay, you tap on your account, then you verify I'm not a robot. Okay, so it says in the past 24 hours you have already used the free test. Okay, so right after doing this, you are going to see the followers. Okay, the followers. Let's go with the likes too. Okay, let's go to the likes too. So after tapping on the likes, you just tap on the first one, that's the 25 free Instagram likes. Okay, then you tap on buy now. Okay, then you choose the account. Okay, then you verify you are not a robot. Okay, so you can come back here and be doing this for uh almost every day. So here I'm going to pick the kind of post. Okay, so you could see that yeah, they have examined the, so you tap on free test. Okay, so I've choose the post. Okay, so it says thank for the sort. Okay, thank for the sort. So you can also create account here. Okay, you can also create account here so that you can be visiting. Okay, you can be visiting the page and getting your free Instagram followers and free likes. Okay, so let's say you do this for 10 times, you are going to get 100 followers. Okay, 100 followers, and doing this for 20 times, calculate. Okay, calculate. So this is how it actually works. Okay, everything, let's head back to Instagram and check whether it worked. So let's go. All right, so this is Instagram. We are going, and you will see the followers now. Okay, so you could see that 4 minutes ago, 1 2 3 4 5, it's 25. Okay, 25 we did. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so you could see that all the 25 is in. Okay, and the 10 followers too, let's check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 7 8 9 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So they even added one. Okay, they even added one. And you could do this for a long time, and you can grow your social media because they are organic boosting. Okay, they are organic boosting, so you can be using this and you can boost your account for free. So thank you guys for watching these tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting video. We will be happy to meet you in these subsequent videos. I am Richard Jan, and I'm out.